All right, well, the engine runs, but I guess I'll move the camera here to show a view of it. It's definitely got a leak around the cylinder into the coolant reservoir because while it's running, it's bubbling a lot, and the coolant is now full of oil and goo and things like that. And when it just quit a minute ago, I went to restart it, and every time I spun it, yeah, there's the compression stroke. So intake, yeah, so this should be compression, and it makes a little geyser out of the thing, so it's definitely got a leak there. So we're going to have to tear that apart and reseal that figure out a way to double check those O-rings and make sure we get a better seal on the coolant to keep it from leaking into the cylinder. Because remember, this cylinder liner has a very complex set of seals, because there's the head gasket seal on the end, but also there's the two bands that seal for the spark plug. And so clearly I'm assuming that the band here on this side of the spark plug is the one that's leaking, so the compression goes past that and into the hopper. So I guess we will tear this apart again and take a look at that now.